Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So new exam update came from SSC side. Okay. So the exam name is Combined Graduate Level Examination 2022, or you can say CGL 2020. As you can see, dates for submission of online application from 29 December to 31st January 2021. Okay. So it's a good opportunity for all the graduates who want to work in government of India. As you can see, it is for filling up of various group B and group C posts in different ministries. So by this exam, after qualifying this exam, you will be able to serve in government of India as a group B and group C officers. So first two posts are assistant audit officer and assistant accounts officer. Okay, and the salary will be around 60k. Around 60k. For these two posts, there is different qualification. Okay, that we will discuss later. Apart from that, there are different posts like assistant section officer, assistant section officer in intelligence bureau. Different departments are there. Okay, income tax officer and income tax officer in central excise, inspector examiner. Different group B and group C posts are there, and for this post there is only graduation is needed, not a specific qualification. So we all can apply for this post. So around 32 posts are there, okay, under the CGL 2020. Now if we will talk about age limit, then there are certain criteria. For some posts age limit is 18 to 27 years. For some posts like income tax officer and all, 20 to 27 years. Okay. If we will talk about education qualification, then for assistant audit officer or assistant accounts officer, the essential qualification is this, and desirable qualification is like chartered accountant, okay, MBA, etc., etc. And for junior statistical officer, okay, for that also you can see this is the requirement. Okay, baki, and for all other posts like income tax officer, etc., the qualification is bachelor degree from a recognized university or equivalent. Okay, and now you will ask like final year also eligible or not. So final year of their graduation can also apply, however they must possess essential qualification on or before 1 January 2021. Okay, so I hope the doubt is clear now. And how to apply for this exam? So I will give the link in description, there you can go and check. Examination centers also given here, like in central region Bihar, UP, that are the examination center. In Karnataka, Kerala region, the centers will be like Mangaluru, Ernakulam, Kannur, Kollam, Kottayam, Thrissur, etc., etc. I will provide the PDF, okay, so you can check by. Now how they will conduct the examination? So there are basically 4 tier. Okay, in tier 1 examination there will be computer based examination, CBE. Okay, tier 2 also computer based, and in tier 3 one descriptive paper will be there, pen and paper mode. Okay, tier 4 computer proficiency test and data entry skill test will be there. Now what will be the examination pattern? Okay, so in tier 1 there will be 4 section: English, quantitative aptitude, general awareness and reasoning. Okay, and 25 questions will be there from each section, and maximum marks will be 50, 50, 50. So each question will be 2 marks. Okay, and negative marking also there. So after tier 2, after tier 1 there will be tier 2 examination. In that, paper 1 and paper 2 will be compulsory for all. Okay, so quantitative aptitude and English language and comprehension. So uh, in tier 2 examination, quantitative aptitude will be 100 questions, 200 marks, and in English 200 questions, 200 marks. So total 400 marks. And that paper 3rd and paper 4th There will be for other posts, as I mentioned earlier, the 2 posts. And in tier 3 exam, there will be one pen and paper mode examination, descriptive paper, okay, and 100 marks will be there for 1 hour. Syllabus you can check from the PDF, okay, I will provide that PDF. So all the details have been given in the notification PDF, okay, and that I will provide in description. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.